y'all, so I have a few things to do today. So I think I'm actually dressed and I have to go to the grocery store and I have to get a battery for my key fob because it keeps saying that my key is not being detected or it's not in the car when it is. So I just have a few things to do. So I think what I'm going to do is pick up the room and leave, go get groceries and do everything else, come back, do a little grocery haul and work on my nightstand because there's just so much stuff in there that I have to go through that. And then maybe throw some laundry in. But I think the first thing I'm going to do is probably my bed. That way, when I come back, I don't feel very overwhelmed. I also have to make copies for my husband for stuff for work, so I definitely have to remember to do that. I might do that before I leave here, actually. But let's go ahead and clean up in here really quick, tidy this up. That way, when I come back, I'll just work on my nightstand. I will possibly leave the laundry going. That way, when I come back, all I have to do is put it in the dryer. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So in today's video, I'm just sharing a quick little cleanup here, a grocery haul, and some organization in my nightstand. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Leave it a thumbs up and we're gonna go ahead and get right into this. So I got this photo box from Michael's and it has about 16 photo cases inside, but I did not use them for photos. I used them for storage. You guys, I love the way my nightstand turned out and these little photo cases worked out perfectly for what I wanted.
You look at that, I said, my friend, what you looking at? I think she is something for me. Excuse me, miss, it's my first time here. Maybe you can show me out of here. I think she got something indeed. So please forgive my rudeness if I'm tripping over your...
Okay, so I think that these worked out perfect. So I'm going to label them with my label maker. I'm not going to use my Cricut just because I feel like that's just too much work to just label these. So I am going to just bring out my label maker, which is somewhere. I have no idea where.
Got me saying, hey, girl, will you marry me?
Okay, so I've had this label maker forever, and I forgot that I did purchase some pink ribbon or tape or whatever you want to call that. So I went ahead and swapped it out, and then I printed everything in pink just because pink is my favorite color and it just looked prettier to me.
I'm telling you this now. You don't need to worry, 'cause I got this all down. And we get on together. And we can be so much more than who we are. So much more than who we are. We can. And knee deep in while the world just falls apart. At the rise above it all. And we can.
The next thing I wanted to do is organize my vitamins. I was kind of tired of getting up in the morning and going through the medicine cabinet and pulling out each bottle. So I bought these off of Amazon a while back. I actually have, my husband has the other one, and I have had this in my nightstand, but I have not put my vitamins in it. So I decided to go ahead and organize them just to make it easier and more convenient for me. And it has been working out great. I just get up in the morning, pull out my little container, whichever day we're on, and take my vitamins, and that's it. And I know that I have taken them instead of having to, okay, I have to go in the medicine cabinet, pull out each bottle, grab this one, grab that one. So this just makes it super easy for me.
So much more than who we are. So much more than who we are. We can.
All right, guys, and this is how it turned out. So this right here, these are from the comforters or this quilt right here. So every time I wash it and put it up, I wrap it up in this. So I just leave that here. Then we have some tissue paper. Then we have a headlamp just in case, and lint roller, and AirPods, and just a few little extra things. And then we got the vitamins in here that I set up, so that way I can just open this every morning instead of having to go in the bathroom and just grabbing a whole bunch of stuff. Then just this little thing right here from the Dollar Tree for some spare change there, just to throw it in there. And then I'm excited about this. So this is how this turned out. I like how I had the pink. I forgot that I had this pink stuff. So I wanted to swap it out, so it looks cuter to me. So I like the way this is organized. Now I can kind of, well, not kind of, now I can actually find things in here for what I need. So for example, I have an iPad and an AirPod, so I have to keep, fumbling in this drawer to try to find them. So now I know exactly where they're at. I know where my camera stuff is or anything else that the kids may need. The screen protectors for the iPhones. So yeah, I'm liking the way this turned out. All right, and here is all the non-food items I got at Walmart. I like fresh flowers, so I ended up getting those. I've never tried the microband, so I'm gonna go ahead and try that. And then these were on clearance for $5. Some throws, so I decided to grab 2 of those. Now let me show you the food. All right, so we got some ground beef, some ground turkey, some butter, sour cream, my little shots that I've been taking, some soap, some rice. I got this just because we saw this thing on TikTok where you pour this into ice and it's just like getting a Frappuccino at Starbucks. So a lot of people didn't know that, so I wanted to go ahead and test that out. So I just grabbed that. And we have some shrimp, some deli meat, a bunch of veggies. I'm making stuffed peppers tonight, so that's why I got these. And then here are just some chickpeas, tricolor beans, and some kidney beans and some corn, nothing special. And that is all that I got. Oh, and I did pick up my cucumber because I forgot the other day for my juice cleanse, so I got that. And that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick this up, and then what do I have to do? I don't even know what I'm doing next because I already did my room before I left. I just have to go check on the clothes out where I left washing. So yeah.
talk to me nice. Talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes. Don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. We time. You, I.
Alright, so everything is chopped. We have pineapple, cucumber, ginger, lemon, and then of course you need 1 liter of water. I'm just gonna stick this all in the blender and make that juice and have it every single morning. You can also add apple cider vinegar to it. And then some people say drink a cup in the morning and then one at night. So I'm just gonna do it in the morning and that's it. And then if I wanna do it in the evening, I'll do that too. But I think I'm just gonna start off with just a cup in the morning. And this is supposed to help you just feel fuller and just give your body a nice detox, I guess. But I've been meaning to try it, so I can't wait to share and let you guys know how this thing tastes. It's supposed to be very refreshing, so we'll see.
Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long. Right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now. But I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way.
All right, here's the juice. I put it in the mason jar here, so I'm going to stick this in the refrigerator. Now, I did strain it. I don't know if you're supposed to do that, but I just cannot drink with like pulp. I don't know, it just bothers me. So I strained it and here is the mixture. So we're gonna stick this in the fridge and I'm gonna start drinking this tomorrow. And then I will let you guys know, you know, how good it tastes. I haven't tasted it right now because it's warm. So I'd rather drink this cold. So I'm just gonna stick it in the fridge. All right, y'all. So being completely honest, the juice was okay. It wasn't what I was expecting, I guess. I don't really know how to explain it, but I think I am just going to stick to my Vive Organics. Those are the shots that I have been taking. You can pick them up at Walmart or Target. Walmart does sell them a little cheaper, but I am definitely not going to try this again. You guys can try it. Let me know if it works for you or how you like it. I'm also going to stick to my apple cider vinegar in the morning, just a cup of water, a little bit of vinegar, a little bit of lemon, and just drink that in the mornings. But honestly, the juice was not that great. All right, y'all, now it was time for dinner. So I took half of this package of ground beef. I went ahead and added it to the pot, and I went ahead and added some seasonings and made sure that it was nice and cooked. Once that was done, I removed it from there, and then I added a block of cream cheese, and then I added the meat back to the cream cheese and just made a mixture. And then I added more seasonings and some cheese. And then I took the tricolor peppers that I got, washed them, cut them up. Well, first I cut them up and then I washed them, and then I went ahead and stuffed them, and then I put this in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. And then I went ahead and made some rice on the side, and that was our dinner. All right, y'all, that is going to be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.